While no single vitamin acts as a guaranteed cure for leg cramps or a sole strengthener for legs, certain vitamins and minerals play crucial roles in muscle health and nerve function, which can indirectly help prevent cramps and support leg strength in senior citizens. Here are 3 important ones to consider. 1. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin for muscle health, the crucial link to calcium and muscle function. Vitamin D's primary role is to facilitate the absorption of calcium from the gut into the bloodstream. Calcium is an essential mineral for proper muscle function. It's involved in the process of muscle contraction. When a nerve signal reaches a muscle fiber, calcium ions are released, triggering the interaction of proteins, actin and myosin, that cause the muscle to shorten, contract. For the muscle to relax, calcium ions need to be pumped back out of the muscle fiber. Inadequate calcium levels can disrupt this cycle, potentially leading to muscle spasms or cramps. Vitamin D deficiency and muscle weakness. Research has linked low levels of vitamin D to muscle weakness, myopathy, and an increased risk of falls in older adults. While the direct link between vitamin D deficiency and leg cramps isn't definitively established for all individuals, maintaining sufficient levels is crucial for overall muscle health and strength, which can indirectly help prevent cramps related to muscle fatigue or weakness. Stronger leg muscles are also better equipped to handle physical activity and support mobility. Why seniors are at higher risk of deficiency. Several factors contribute to vitamin D deficiency in older adults. Reduced skin synthesis. The skin's ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight decreases with age. Lower dietary intake. Older adults may have reduced appetites or dietary restrictions that limit their intake of vitamin D-rich foods. Decreased sun exposure. Reduced mobility, indoor lifestyles, and living in regions with less sunlight can limit sun exposure. Impaired absorption. The kidney's ability to convert vitamin D to its active form may also decline with age. Sources and supplementation. Dietary sources. While some foods contain vitamin D, they often don't provide enough to meet daily requirements. Good sources include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna, beef liver, egg yolks, and fortified foods such as milk, yogurt, orange juice, and cereals. Sunlight exposure. Brief, regular sun exposure allows the body to produce vitamin D. However, this needs to be balanced with the risk of skin cancer, and the amount of vitamin D produced varies based on factors like time of day, season, latitude, and skin pigmentation. Supplementation. Due to the challenges in obtaining sufficient vitamin D from diet and sunlight alone, supplementation is often recommended for older adults. The appropriate dosage varies depending on individual needs and current vitamin D levels, so it's crucial to consult a doctor for guidance. They can perform blood tests to check vitamin D levels and recommend the right supplement and dosage. 2. B vitamins, especially B1, B6, and B12 nourishing the nerves and muscles. The intricate role of B vitamins in nerve function. B vitamins are a group of essential nutrients that play vital roles in various metabolic processes, particularly those involving the nervous system. Vitamin B1, thiamine, essential for nerve signal transmission and glucose metabolism, which provides energy for nerve and muscle function. Deficiency can lead to nerve damage, neuropathy, and muscle weakness. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine, involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells. It also plays a role in the metabolism of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, including those in muscles. Vitamin B12, cobalamin, crucial for the formation of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to muscles, and the maintenance of the myelin sheath, a protective covering around nerve fibers that ensures proper nerve signal transmission. Deficiency can lead to nerve damage, numbness, tingling, and muscle weakness. B vitamin deficiencies and neuromuscular issues. Deficiencies in these B vitamins can sometimes manifest as peripheral neuropathy, a condition affecting the peripheral nerves, those outside the brain and spinal cord. Symptoms can include pain, numbness, tingling, and muscle weakness, which might indirectly contribute to muscle cramps or a feeling of instability in the legs. Age-related considerations for B vitamin intake. Vitamin B12 absorption. The absorption of vitamin B12 from food often decreases with age due to reduced stomach acid production and a decrease in intrinsic factor, a protein needed for B12 absorption in the small intestine. Dietary changes. Changes in diet or reduced food intake in older adults can also lead to lower overall B vitamin consumption. Medications. Certain medications commonly used by seniors can interfere with the absorption or metabolism of B vitamins. Sources and supplementation strategies. Dietary diversity. Encouraging a varied diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and dairy, if tolerated, can help ensure adequate intake of most B vitamins. Fortified foods. Fortified cereals and plant-based milk alternatives can be good sources of B vitamins, especially B12 for vegetarians and vegans. Supplementation. Supplementation may be necessary, particularly for vitamin B12. Doctors can assess B vitamin levels through blood tests and recommend appropriate supplements and dosages if needed. For B12, sublingual tablets or injections might be recommended for those with absorption issues.
3. Magnesium, the relaxation mineral for muscles. Magnesium's multifaceted role in muscle health. Magnesium is an essential mineral involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including those related to muscle function and nerve transmission. Muscle contraction and relaxation. Magnesium plays a critical role in regulating muscle contraction and relaxation by counteracting the effects of calcium. While calcium triggers muscle contraction, magnesium helps the muscle fibers relax afterward. An imbalance between calcium and magnesium can potentially lead to muscle spasms or cramps. Nerve signal transmission. Magnesium is also involved in the transmission of nerve signals, ensuring proper communication between nerves and muscles. Electrolyte balance. It helps maintain the balance of electrolytes like potassium and calcium, which are crucial for nerve and muscle function. Vitamin D activation. Magnesium is needed for the body to properly use vitamin D. It's involved in the conversion of vitamin D into its active form. The link between magnesium and leg cramps. While the scientific evidence on magnesium's effectiveness in preventing all types of leg cramps is still evolving and somewhat mixed, many individuals report relief from cramps with magnesium supplementation. It may be particularly helpful for cramps related to electrolyte imbalances or neuromuscular excitability. Why magnesium levels might be lower in seniors. Reduced dietary intake. Older adults may not consume enough magnesium-rich foods. Decreased absorption. Similar to other nutrients, magnesium absorption from the gut may decrease with age. Increased excretion. Certain medications, such as diuretics, can increase magnesium excretion through the urine. Underlying health conditions. Some chronic conditions common in older adults, like diabetes, can affect magnesium levels. Sources and supplementation considerations. Dietary sources. Good food sources of magnesium include green leafy vegetables, spinach, kale, nuts, almonds, cashews, seeds, pumpkin, chia, legumes, beans, lentils, and whole grains. Supplementation. Magnesium supplements are available in various forms, e.g. magnesium citrate, magnesium oxide, magnesium glycinate. Magnesium glycinate is often considered well absorbed. However, it's important to consult a doctor before starting magnesium supplementation, as high doses can cause side effects like diarrhea, and it can interact with certain medications. A healthcare provider can determine if supplementation is necessary and recommend the appropriate type and dosage based on individual needs and potential interactions. By understanding the specific roles these vitamins and minerals play and the factors affecting their levels in older adults, we can better appreciate their importance in maintaining leg health and potentially reducing the occurrence of leg cramps. Remember that a balanced diet and consultation with healthcare professionals are key to addressing individual needs.